You might want to go to the longer video. Let's go. In top-level constant macros, in this section here, we have some tags to find the different types of C49 cells. In top-level lookup tables, we have a whole bunch of prefixes defined here. Pause if you want to read that. Then down here, shorthand variables for our different C49 cell types. So L16, PF8, T25 for level data, prefab data, and thumbnail data. Master memory cell indexes 3 and 7 hold prefab data. Whether or not we're going to store prefabs in the top 4x2 or the bottom 4x2 of a master memory cell. And then the prefab data only takes up 10 bits, so we can get 3 layers of prefab data. So we can use the left bits, the middle bits, or the right bits, because it's only 10 bits per pixel for prefab data. But for any other data that's not prefab data, we're going to use all of the bits. These bits, these bit markers are inclusive, and they are in network bit order. Tags define these rules quicker. A lookup table that takes H27 and spits out all of these values. So in order to use this table, you take H27 and you multiply the H27 by a stride of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Multiply by a stride of 8, and then offset by either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, depending on what member you're going to pull out. So this big table here, you can think of it as a database table, right? This is record 1, record 2, record 3, right? And there are 27 records, and all of these names right here are what pieces of information you're trying to get out. Now, we already kind of explained that information, so if you want to, you can pause right here and read this. Then you can pause right here and read these. And then you can pause right here and read these, but I do not have time to go over it in any more detail than that. We have some assertions to check our work. And then down here in monkey wrench macros, some monkey wrench macros. And then in FILE896, we're eventually going to add more code right here, but not in this video. So here's what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you're going to have to go here. You are here. So if you want just technical demos, you can go here. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.